There is a super simple way to turn a slope that we usually see at the beginning of the bind-off edge into a perfectly distinct right-angled corner. All we need to do is purl the first stitch, and it doesn't matter whether you bind off all stitches as knits or you bind them off in pattern and the first stitch as a knit. Purl the first stitch, bring the yarn to the front, then insert the tip of the right needle into the stitch from right to left. Wrap the needle with the yarn, no matter whether you hold yarn in your right hand or your left hand, it doesn't matter at all. Purl the first stitch. And then work the next stitch. This time you can knit or purl it, it's totally up to you. I'm gonna knit it because I'm gonna bind off all stitches as knits. And then pass this purl over the next stitch and off the right needle, just as we do when we bind off stitches usually. And then keep binding off stitches in any way you like, in pattern or as knits or as purls, it's totally up to you. And after you bind off several stitches, you will already see that this corner is not a slope anymore. It looks very much like a nice right-angled corner, and it is a great improvement compared to this sloped corner. So simple, just one purl stitch made this much needed improvement. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time I publish a new video. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.